Welcome to my new house. Thank you all for following along in my decision-making process. I landed on the Tudor. I really wanted to play up on what Tudors are known for. We all know that they are a little bit on the darker side and there's a little bit of a mystery. This house is no different. I wanted to play up on that sense of mystery. When you approach the house, you think you know what's going on because it's a Tudor and you have some expectations, but I really want to go for a big surprise. So when you enter the house, you're in this vestibule and you have a standard height ceiling here, and then you pop up beyond this area to a double height gallery foyer space. And with this idea that this house has almost like secrets, there's a mystery. And when you're here, you're transported. When you're standing in the gallery, if you look to this side, you'll have the dining room, and to the other side is the library. As you meander through the house, you keep going from these rooms that are double story and vaulted, and then you enter into these other spaces that are standard height. On the other side of the gallery, you have the library. Here we have a double height story space with bookcases and Harlequin diamond mullion windows. If you go in through this space, you will be in the family room. Beyond this family room is the kitchen and breakfast room. I've always had dreams of a kitchen that feels sort of moody, sort of dark. This house actually really lends itself to that vibe, and there's all of this mystery going on with this house, and I'm really loving it. You can finally come out and see woodland space that I've been talking about.
Thank you for following along. I'm excited to share more of my home renovation project with you all soon.